How to use this book. This book is designed to be a practical guide for anyone interested in exploring the rich landscape of their dreams. Whether you are a seasoned dreamer or just beginning your journey, you will find valuable insights and techniques to enhance your understanding and use of dreams. Each chapter provides step-by-step instructions, real-life examples, and practical exercises to help you integrate dream work into your daily life. Let's delve deeper into this section. Zorin. Seeker of knowledge. I am Zorin, the Dragon of Dreams, here to guide you on how to use. Introduction and overview. Begin by reading the introduction to understand the book's purpose, structure, and key themes. This will provide you with a roadmap for navigating the content. Table of contents. Use the table of contents to identify the chapters or sections that are most relevant to your interests. This will help you prioritize your reading and focus on the areas that matter most to you. Chapter summaries. At the beginning or end of each chapter, look for summaries or key points. These sections provide a quick overview of the main ideas and can help reinforce your understanding. Annotations and notes. As you read, make annotations or take notes in the margins. Highlight important passages, jot down questions, and summarize key concepts. This active engagement will enhance your comprehension and retention. Reflection and application. After reading a chapter or section, take some time to reflect on the material. Consider how the concepts apply to your own life or work. This reflection can deepen your understanding and make the content more meaningful. Discussion and sharing. If possible, discuss the book with others who are also reading it. Sharing insights and perspectives can enrich your understanding and provide new viewpoints. Supplementary materials. Check if the book includes supplementary materials such as exercises, case studies, or online resources. These can provide additional context and practical applications of the concepts. Revisiting and reviewing. Periodically revisit the book to review key concepts and reinforce your learning. This ongoing engagement can help solidify your understanding and keep the material fresh in your mind. Remember, dear seeker, using a book effectively is not just about reading, but engaging deeply with the content. Embrace this journey with an open heart and let the wisdom within guide you on your path. Do you have a specific book or topic you wish to explore further? Practical guide for all levels. Beginner friendly. If you are new to dream work, this book will introduce you to the basics, helping you understand the nature of dreams and how to start recalling and interpreting them. Advanced insights. For seasoned dreamers, the book offers advanced techniques and deeper explorations into lucid dreaming, shared dreaming, and using dreams for problem solving and spiritual growth. Valuable insights and techniques. Comprehensive coverage. The book covers a wide range of topics, from the science of dreaming to the spiritual aspects of dreams, ensuring a holistic approach. Expert advice. Drawing on both traditional wisdom and modern technology, the book provides expert advice on interpreting dreams and integrating their insights into your life. Step-by-step instructions. Clear guidance. Each chapter includes detailed step-by-step instructions to help you practice various dream techniques, such as improving dream recall, achieving lucid dreams, and using dreams for emotional healing. Easy to follow. The instructions are designed to be easy to follow, ensuring that you can apply them effectively regardless of your experience level. Real-life examples. Illustrative stories. The book includes real-life examples and case studies to illustrate how different dream techniques can be applied and the kinds of insights they can reveal. Personal experiences. Sharing personal experiences and anecdotes helps to make the content relatable and engaging, showing the practical benefits of dream work. Practical exercises. Hands-on practice. Each chapter features practical exercises that encourage you to actively engage with your dreams. These exercises are designed to reinforce the techniques and concepts discussed in the book. Reflective activities. Activities such as keeping a dream journal, performing reality checks, and setting dream intentions help you to integrate dream work into your daily routine. Integration into daily life. Daily practices. The book emphasizes the importance of integrating dream work into your daily life, offering tips and strategies to make dream exploration a regular part of your routine. Long-term benefits. By consistently practicing the techniques and exercises in the book, you can experience long-term benefits such as enhanced self-awareness, emotional well-being, and spiritual growth.